Alright guys, welcome back to Cooking with Kupel.
Nani?
So I made a post over on my Instagram asking people whether I should make more videos like the Jollibee, first time trying Arby's, pretty much just trying new foods and capturing something like that more often. A lot of you guys let me know that you actually did enjoy that content, so I'm thinking instead of keeping it to like a milestone thing, I'm going to start just regularly incorporating it into my channel's content.
I'm legally blind, I can see, barely.
This feels a lot like hell.
When I focus there, what the fuck? If you're not already following me on social media, go and hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whichever. Every now and then I ask you guys some questions on there or post some more behind the scenes content, so it's a good time. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying Brazilian food for the first time. Just a full disclosure, I do apologize. I'm going to try my best to pronounce everything correctly. If not, it's fine. Go ahead and go roast me down in the comments. I know you're going to do it anyways, so it's alright. I'll give you permission this time. Okay, so for my first dish, I'm going to be doing Pão de Queijo, which is pretty much a cheesy bread. So bread, you know, outside, inside it looks like it's like a kind of stretchy cheese. I know they use a very specific cheese. More typically, it's made with either mozzarella or Parmesan. So
He managed to.
they smell very nice. Actually, these almost have like a Cheez-It smell. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, that is good. It is salty, it is cheesy. Oh man, that is just heaven for someone that just loves just bread and cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, these are phenomenal. I love these. My wife will also love these as well, so I am going to be getting her opinion later on in the day. And cheese mixture, yeah. Mozzarella, white Parmesan.
Not good.
Okay, so next up we have Mandioca Frita.
What did you say?
Mandioca Frita? Not sure if it's man or man. So these are pretty much cassava root, like supersized French fries. This is the sauce that came with it. And to be honest, I really don't know what it is. I might be able to tell you if I try it, so I guess we'll find out. Okay, first bite. Ooh.
What the fuck is that?
That sauce is so good. It's so mellow, but so flavorful and sweet. I wish I knew what it was. Nice and crunchy. The insides are so fluffy, so soft. Oh, it's kind of addicting. I mean, honestly, it doubled up with the sauce. Jeez. I don't know the dipping sauce is, but it works so well. It's like a little sweet. It's not like...
Wait, I've had this before. The sauce tastes like another sauce. What does that taste?
I don't know.
That's good.
Yeah, that's really good. Let's go move on to the next thing. Okay, so next up we have Cochinia, which is pretty much shredded chicken, battered and deep fried. I could be wrong, but I think this might actually be the sauce that was supposed to go with it, which is like a hot sauce. Let's give it a taste though. Let's just do it on its own first and see how this is. It's like a meaty, like American hush puppy on steroids.
What?
Super good. I'm actually kind of having a hard time explaining how this tastes. The outside is super crispy, but the center of it is so soft, and the chicken just pulls apart so nicely. Just salty, herby. That is honestly super delicious. I don't know if this sauce is supposed to go with it or not. I could be wrong. We'll see. No, that might go with that. It's pretty good. Yeah, that actually worked really well. So even if that didn't go with it, which is just like, it's just hot sauce. I mean,
He needs some milk.
it's a very vinegary hot sauce. That's good though. Just look at that.
Oh my gosh, just look at it. Just look at that.
I can't. Filled with shredded chicken. It's fucking good. So that is like a shredded chicken.
Ooh.
It's vinegary. Pretty strong with that. Those are good. It almost feels like it's cheesy. Okay, so we're officially done with some like, you know, side options. So it's time to go to a couple of entrees. So let's go. Okay, so next up we have Feijoada.
Are you sure about that?
Which is a black bean stew with smoked and salted beef and pork. Okay, so this specific feijoada looks like it's got the black beans, rice, this has pico de gallo. I couldn't tell you if that is traditional or not. And this, which I have already tasted to kind of confirm, almost tastes like a collard green forward, a little acidic, a little salty. I'm assuming it's just like collard greens. And then whatever this breadcrumb is on top. Okay, let's give it a taste. Go ahead and let's see what the black beans are all about and what this mystery meat is. Oh boy. Yeah, very salty, slightly smoked meat in there. It felt like no, that's definitely pork. Black beans have a nice seasoning to them. The pork is very tender. Ooh, that was beef that time. First bite was pork, that was beef. Super tender. That's good. Ooh, the pico de gallo. Let's see if it's serving its purpose. Let's get a little bit of beans, a little bit of rice. Oh, making a mess. A little bit of everything. Ooh, that pico is not playing. That's good. That's fucking solid. Everything so far, crazy solid. Maya, go ahead and put a basketball right here.
I don't get paid enough for this shit.
This mystery right here.
What's going on in there?
Maya, go ahead and put a basketball right here. That's good. That's fucking solid. It's like super tender. There's some collards in there, which is interesting. I'm not sure if it's normal. Yeah, that was really good. I like that.
Damn, that's good. All of it's good.
Let's go and move on to the next one. Here we go. So next up we have Bobo de Camarão.
Say it again, Dexter.
Bobo de Camarão, or shrimp bobo. Pretty much a shrimp chowder with, I know it's made with coconut milk, ginger, some herbs, and some other ingredients as well. It's got some corn on top. Looks like the pico de gallo has made a return. All right. It's almost like a curry. Okay, next bite. Got some rice, got some shrimp, got some corn. Let's go. That is good. It is so refreshing. The pico de gallo, the perfectly cooked shrimp, this long grain rice. God, everything is just so nice. Damn. This is or like shrimp bobo. It's basically just like a shrimp stew. It's done with coconut milk.
This is the kind of rice that's toxic.
Yeah, it's like a long grain rice. You got a gallo in there as well. Just adds a nice little bit of break.
Okay, that was really good.
All right, it's time for the finale. It's time to move on to dessert. And I'm going for the biggest and most popular dessert that I can find. All right, let's go. Next. Okay, so here we have our final and last Brazilian treat, which is Brigadeiro, which is essentially this bonbon fudge hybrid thing made with condensed milk, butter, and cocoa powder. These ones that I have today have been rolled in, looks like chocolate sprinkles. I'm so excited. What are they? They're heavy. Oh my God. Holy fuck. All right, let's give it a try. Every once in a while in my lifetime, I've eaten something and thought to myself, damn, I'm not high enough. So rich. It's almost like taking all the icing from like a chocolate donut and like that's it. And it's just like in a ball form. That's it. That's fucking it. I don't have that crazy big of a sweet tooth, but that's probably one of the best like confectionaries that I've ever had in my entire life. That is so unique. It's true. It's not a truffle. It's not a bonbon. It is literally its own thing. I feel like I'm gonna slip into a food coma, but I am going to have the second one. That is a, geez, get a chance to explain it. Or a truffle or whatever, but it's not. Like, technically, it tastes like the icing of chocolate. But nothing.
It's good.
Okay guys, these kind of videos are so much fun to make, and if you guys had a good time, please let me know in the comments if this is the kind of content that you like seeing on this channel, you know, aside from all the cooking videos, and then let me know what I should try next time for a different cuisine or fast food. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, do all those fun things. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you next Saturday.